Hey guys, welcome back to this new video tutorial channel with OSP Pro. In this video here, basically we are going to see how can we concat. I'm going to just show you how can we concat in a table in Mysql programming with Xampp. So I'm just going to start here my program very well.
This is Juliet.
With the localhost, which the username is going to be root, and then the password P. And since I didn't have password, that's it. So I'm just going to use test, which is my database, and then the tables, show tables. So let it happen to show for us tables. I have those two blood tables within my database. So let us just now, maybe in this case around, try to select everything from Eric table. Let's select everything from Eric DB TB, the table. Oh, sorry, we have nothing there. Let us use Josh. Sorry for that. Let's use Josh in this case here. And if you try to see this, what we have in Josh. Now let us select everything from this database, but I'm going to concat at this particular, though I'm not going to deal with ID. Let me just select it and I'll show you guys how do we do it within actually. You just type on and select concat. Now I'm going to explain for you this as I'm doing this round with you now. Now, here when you say select and you say concat, it's gone. We are trying to join the first name and the last name and get one independent name, and which name actually we are going to call it what known as maybe can we call it a student's names? Fine. So I'm just going to give the space, and you give a space with a single quote, and then that's going to be L name for the last name at this case, and we're just going to give it a name as student and a scope name. Let us just call it student name, and I'm also happen to actually to give you a comma because those have the one known as a course. So we're going to be in this case, what I mean by here is that first name and last name is going to be given one independent name known as student name, and then lastly we have a course within our program, and I'm picking all of this statement from Josh. So that's it. If I happen to click here, guys, I think now you can see OSP Pro is doing IT, Kamia Joshua is doing ICT, and Eric Sekai, something like that, doing C computer science. So guys, that's how it is. Please don't forget to subscribe to OSP channel. Love you guys. Thank you.